What if I told you that you could start earning in US dollars without leaving your country, without needing a business and starting with just only $10? Welcome, beautiful people, to my new global side hustle, investing in US stocks from wherever you are in the world. Whether you are in the UAE, Nigeria, India, or Kenya, this video is going to break down how millions are turning small investments into serious gain for all my African people. I am Chioma, and today I'll be walking you through why US stocks are trending globally, how to start investing safely, and how to use it to build your own financial power even on a low income. You might ask yourself, so why US stocks? Why not local investment or real estate? Number one answer to that question is global reputation. Top companies like Apple, Tesla, Google, Amazon, and all listed on US exchange. Number two is the strong dollar. Most people want to earn or grow their wealth in USD to protect against inflation or unstable local currency. Three is accessibility. You don't need to be in America. You just need a phone and the right app. The fact is that more than 20 million international investors are now using mobile apps to buy US stocks. The movement is real. So what are you waiting for? Join the side hustle or buying stock. Now, a few years ago, investing in US stock from outside the US was almost impossible without a broker, paperwork, and thousands of dollars. But now, apps like Bamboo, Trove, Chaka, Passfolio, Sarwa, and eToro are changing the game. They have fractional investing that lets you buy $5 worth of Amazon shares when full cost of share is like $150. Then the payments are done through your cards or your local bank transfer. What does this mean? It means that you can earn in dollars, grow your wealth in dollars, and even cash out to your local currency. Now, let me give you a practical step to follow. Pick a trusted app like Sarwa if you are UAE and eToro. Then Africa, you can try Babo, Trove, or RiseVest. Then globally, you can try Passfolio, Trading 212, or Revolut. The next thing you need to do is to verify your identity. Make sure you upload your passport or your local ID. Fill your KYC, know your customer form. Then the third one, just fund your wallet. And some apps accept your local bank or card payment. Minimum deposit can be as low as $1 to $10. Then the last step is to buy your stock. Start with big names like Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola. Use fractional shares to invest small and learn. Now, what you just have to do is to set a monthly goal and let compound interest work for you. It can be $20 every month, $10, $100, depending on your capacity or ability. Let's pause for a moment and talk about what's not to do. Yes, you don't have to chase high. Make sure you avoid meme stocks or random pump groups. Don't borrow money to invest. And also, you don't have to check your account every 2 hours because it causes anxiety. Don't invest all your money in one company. Use ETFs like VO or SPY to invest in a bundle of stock at once. Always remember to diversify. Do your basic research. Even 10 minutes a week can make a huge difference. Investing isn't just about flipping money. It's about building a system that pays you over time. Now, these are the ways you can turn your investment into a side hustle. Number one is to buy dividend stocks and get paid monthly or quarterly. Number two, you can grow stock like long-term compounding gains. 3, you can create content, teach what you're learning, and earn from affiliate links, brand deals, or monetize your YouTube. Imagine investing $20 monthly and sharing your journey. That is a great one. My friend called Rita in Lagos started with just $15 monthly using Bamboo. And 2 years later, she built over $1,000 portfolio. Is it Ahmed who lives in Dubai that starts with $25 monthly using his phone to build wealth? It's not magic, it's momentum. Remember, consistency beats cash. Let's wrap it up. Investing in US stock is not just for Wall Street guys anymore. It's global, it's digital, and it's your new side also. Start small, learn fast, and grow strong. Download the free PDF in the description, How to Start Investing in US Stock from the UAE with just $20 monthly. Like this video if you've learned something new and comment your country below. I'll be recommending the best app for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I've got more global finance apps coming your way. So thank you for watching.
Chioma Media, light in the storm.